Hey friends! Welcome back to your channel, MSKTV. Let us start our math question. Can you answer this? 9 minus 5 times, inside parentheses, 9 minus 5? Choose the answer that fits. Is it 16, minus 11, or 10? Take a moment to think, then answer. You have 3 seconds. Good! Some students think the answer is 16 because they think 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 4 times 4 is 16. But this way of thinking is not correct. In math, we must follow the correct order of operations. So always respect PEMDAS. That means we always start by calculating what is inside the parentheses. So, 9 minus 5 is 4. Now, we look at what comes next. Respecting the PEMDAS rule, there is a multiplication on the left of the 4, so we need to find the product of 5 times 4. As you can see, 5 times 4 equals 20. Finally, we continue our calculation from left to right. We now have 9 minus 20, which equals minus 11. So, the correct answer to our question, 9 minus 5 times, inside parentheses, 9 minus 5 is minus 11. Dear learners, keep practicing and get ready for more fun with MSKTV Learning. We kindly invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video with parents, teachers, and friends. Your support helps us keep creating fun and inspiring math lessons for learners everywhere.